Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the real estate entrepreneur, Omar Alfaro. How you doing, buddy?
What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody?
So you and I were the first to bring up this concept. Winter is coming. I want us to be the first to break the news that winter is here.
Yup.
What are you telling your team? What are you telling the audience? What should we be telling the one rental at a time community?
Yeah, this winter's here, guys. So, meaning, things are changing. You need to get really clear on what, if you're the investor, what buy box you're going to be in, what kind of return, what kind of yield you're going to want. And we just talked about it before. And if it doesn't make sense, then make a lower offer because something's changing. Obviously, everybody knows the interest rate increased. Transactions are going to be slowing down. Value, not so much yet. But if there's less transactions, how do you increase transactions? By lowering the price. And when you lower the price, and then that's going to be another, increase of buyer sides that, okay, now it makes sense to buy because now the sellers have dropped the price to match the buyer's needs and their interest rate. So, and or if it's cash. I mean, you never know. But right now, the number one thing for everyone to do in any business that they're in right now is find a way to generate more clients and more conversations. So you're able to have more appointments because then you're going to be able to have more results that will increase your money and then will increase the amount of people that know you so then they can refer you more business. So that's my whole focus right now. Winter's here. So go create more people to know you that you're in this business, whatever it is.
Yeah, winter is here, folks. We're already seeing it in the stock market. We're already seeing it. Crypto, real estate markets across the country are slowing down. Winter is here. I believe this year, as I shared months ago in my whiteboard discussion of 2022 and 2023, we're going to have stagflation this year with a recession next year, hard landing caused by the Fed. It's not good. I've told you in the past to get prepared, to raise dry powder, to get known on your buy box, to write better offers. I want people to hear me. Yes, recessions are scary. Yes, bear markets suck. The strong will get stronger. The prepared will benefit. And you, if you do the work, you will make life-changing wealth in a recession because most Americans don't prepare. Lots of people bought stupid things and they will sell them for pennies on the dollar. If you wanted to ever buy a toy, there's going to be a lot of toys for sale this winter. It's just how it works. So again, do the work, write better offers. The thing that I want to tell real estate investors, the thing I want to tell one rental at a time fans is for the next 6 to 9 to 12 months, your job, your one and only job is to find motivated sellers. They were impossible to find the last 2 years. They will become 10, 20, 30 times easier to find going forward. It will start with a trickle, but it will become a raging river. Some people just have to sell. Those are the people that you can write offers and get discounts. You do not need a housing crash to get a great deal. You need one seller who is motivated. The housing market as the country may go up, but you might get a 20% discount because you found the motivated seller. Do the work.
Badass right there. Let's go, Michael. Let's do that work, man. This is cool. And that whole flow right there was phenomenal. I'm writing notes, 6, 9, 12 months, find more motivated sellers, period. Yeah. What we just talked about, your increase of lead generation. Well, guess what the increase of lead generation is? Sellers. Sellers. And I'm talking to real estate investors, you need sellers. I'm talking to real estate agents, you need sellers. The buyers are going to be there if you're a real estate agent or real estate professional, like I like to say. The buyers are going to be there. Just put the buyer in place where that seller's at, meet them and make your commission check. Great. It's just part of the deal that comes in. But without having the generation of sellers, those sign calls. Now I'm going to talk the little bit of the business stuff when the winter's coming. The person who has the signs is going to get the call. So go get more signs.
Mm-hmm.
You can double end a deal and make $18,000, $16,000, $15,000 per transaction.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it may not be that cool wholesale fee that everyone talks about $80,000, $90,000. Those are going to be gone here in a minute. And it's going to go back to my margin is $15,000 to $28,000 on every transaction. Do multiple of those. And, or maybe you start finding better motivated sellers like Michael just said. And now the spreads are great.
Mm-hmm.
And there's still going to be an exit for you at a great profit.
Yeah. Yeah. Winter is here. And let me talk to, I mean, we've talked about it in the past. Mortgage brokers, that industry is getting hammered layoffs already. It's only started. Wells Fargo, Rocket Mortgage here in the last 48 hours, cutting heads. Mm-hmm. Wholesalers, there's going to be a lot less wholesalers in 6 months than there are today. Flippers, a lot less flippers. Right? If you're flipping above the median, like we've talked about for weeks now, oof, watch out.
It's scary.
Yeah, it's scary. So again, this is a time to be ultra disciplined. There's going to be a lot of noise and commotion in the real estate market. Don't get distracted. Know your thing. For investors, what is your buy box? Get double, triple down. Write offers. Work with agents that were like for the last 2 years. If you weren't writing offers at least at list, nobody wanted to deal with you. Guess what? The time is changing.
Everybody wants an offer now.
Yeah, exactly. Write it. Write the offer. Be willing to write. Know your numbers. I haven't written an offer in the last month that's been above asking. I've gotten a couple counters, but nothing that makes sense. I only write great deals. I know my time is coming. I've been doing this too long not to have confidence that it is coming. So folks, if you've ever thought about real estate investing, the market is finally changing. We're finally going to be able to find those motivated sellers. The first 10 years of my career, 8 years, certainly, I never found one. It was a hot market, but when they come, you can make life-changing money. So let's get ready. Let's do the work. It's going to take you 90 days. The good news, if you're starting today, it'll take you 90 days. It'll get you into the summer. I think the market is vastly different in 90 days. What do you think?
Oh, 90 days, this market's going to be, there's going to be a lot more inventory. Mm-hmm. There's going to be some motivation where you thought there was no motivation.
Exactly. Oh, no, we're good. We're good. No, we got to go. My job starts tomorrow. I got to get out.
100%. And that's, that's where you're going to be making those offers, those strong offers. And, lo and behold, you might actually get one. Because don't be surprised that you make that low offer and all of a sudden they accept it. And you're like, oh, shit.
Yeah,
now what?
I got to close.
Yeah, you got to close. But at least you wrote it low enough. I mean, that's what happened over the last couple of days. We wrote some stupid offers. And a couple of them accepted. I'm like, oh, that's awesome. Let's go.
So what was the stupidest offer you wrote that you got a yes answer on?
We got one that was, worth about 370, and we offered 230.
Oh my God!
And we settled up at 245.
There you go, and that's awesome.
And it's in the high desert. I mean, the spreads there. I got to deal with some people there that they're going to be leaving. That's fine, but they're the owners. They're leaving, and they needed to sell. They were the bleeding neck. They haven't made the payments.
There
and
you go, yeah.
The median home price, guess what? 360.
Yeah, you're safe.
So I'm way less than the median home price. And if it drops a little bit, I still sell it for 340, 335.
Yeah. This is it. Protect yourself. Real estate's been around for hundreds of years. It's a great business. There's just a couple rules. When the real estate market gets soft, we go into a recession. Don't you dare be flipping $1 million homes in a 300 market. Not a good idea.
No, not a good idea.
Yeah.
Nope.
Omar, where can people find you? And more importantly, if people wanted to join your team, because you're doing amazing things, you're investing in them, where would they go?
Follow me on IG, guys, or go to my website, omaralfaro.com, and then click the little button, join the team. Just, there's a bunch of little links there that you're able to check out. And if you're in the real estate business and you're in the high desert, even if you're not, reach out to me. You can plug into our meetings and where we go over a lot of stuff on how to become better at the business and understand people a little bit more.
There you go. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Take care, guys.